सिद्धापुर पुलिस स्टेशन की हदूद में सोमेश्वर नगर में पेश आया मिलाद से मुताल्लिक़ एक और नागवार हादसा। दरअसल 9 अक्टूबर को ईद मिलाद के मौके पर सड़क के बीचों बीच कुछ लड़के हाथों में डंडे वगैरह थामे रक़्स करते हुए नजर आए। सिद्धापुर पुलिस ने इस मामले में 19 लोगों को गिरफ्तार किया है, जिनमें से 14 नाबालिग लड़के और 5 नौजवान गिरफ्तार हुए हैं। बताया जाता है कि मुस्लिम लीडरों के हिंदू मुखालिफ बयान पर डंडे और तलवारों के साथ लड़कों ने डीजे पर रक़्स किया। सिद्धापुर थाना पुलिस ने फौरी तौर पर एफआईआर दर्ज करके तहकीकात शुरू कर दी हैं।
Siddhapura police station on the evening of 9th October around 5:45 to 6:45 p.m. Some people were celebrating the function, so they had used some weapons like small knife or long and all those things. So accordingly, the case was registered under arms act. So there were around 20 to 25 people, out of which we have secured 18 of them, and out of 18, 13 are minor, so 5 are major. Mostly it is lack of knowledge on the juveniles, or whatever it is, the procedure will be carried out as per the law under Juvenile Justice Act, and for others it will be up to the criminal code.
So
No, it was not a function actually. It was a procession. After the procession, some of the people went to some interior place in Someshwar, Nagar. There they were dancing on this music. It was not a function or anything.
Sir, any kind of slogans were raised like Sarpanch Judha?
No, that we will see in investigation. What video or audio we can.
So who is the complainant?
This is not the first time in possessions like this region. Why is the police acting this time?
No, it is not like that. Anytime we have information, we do it. We have been puttinally during Ganpati procession also. There was this kind of incident which was reported. There also we have booked similar pictures in the arms set. There also people have been arrested. So it is not that specific to any particular place or any particular event.
No, sir, there's also questions are being made on social media that because Bajrang Dal or other organizations, when they do it, they use the arms. Police doesn't.
On Vijay Dashami when they.
No, that's what I'm telling. It is not like that. In Puttinally police station limits only during Ganpati festival, we have booked the case. So wherever there is such kind of any violation or any illegal activity going on, we definitely book the case and accordingly accused will be arrested.
Sir, did you take the so motor case or someone complained about this?
No, we have taken so much.